Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how do you update your or how do you install this theme if you buy on my channel. Okay. So first, if you click this one, it will redirectly to old Bichidial agent screen. So what we're gonna do is we will change and update the file so that when you click the agent login, it will automatically route here. Okay, or if you browse the welcome Bichidial page, and it will go here. So first you need to look you need to go to your putty. So this is our SSH. Okay. And then you need to go to the directory. If you are using a VCBox, so you need to go to v slash srv. Okay. Then www.htdoc. Okay. When you are on htdocs, because you already have the agent folder, right? So this one. And from here, you need to go to the Bichidial folder. So from here, we have the welcome.php. Okay. So first, you need to back up those welcome.php page or okay, backup. And then we're going to edit the welcome.php page. Okay. From here, you need to look for the AGC folder. Okay, all the AGC folder you can replace with the agent. Okay, so just control W and then type the control W and then type the AGC here. Okay, and then press enter. So and then you can update to agent and then control W again and then press enter. So another AGC, so you can replace those to agent. Okay, and then another one, so control W again and then press enter. So you will see AGC again over there, so you need to replace that one also. Okay, and then try again, just find another AGC file. So as you can see, there's no more AGC file on the welcome, so you can save it, just control O and then enter. So it means it will save, and then to exit, control X. So if you are using Nano, so sometimes they are using VI. So okay, so for the VI, just escape, control quit, don't save. Okay, so this one is from VI, so you need to use the command how to look the folder. Okay, so this one is a VI command. So to exit on this part, so just press escape, then colon, shift, then colon, to save whiskey, Queen and whiskey, and then exclamation point. Because I don't want to save it, so I just put to quit. Okay, and then you can do service Apache 2 reload. And for the Alma Linux or the Scratch installation, your VGDA directory should be on var www then html. Okay, www/html. So your VGDA directory should be there. Okay, and also same thing, you need to go to the VGDA folder and update the welcome.php. And then let's try now. When I visit my BG dial, okay, and I refresh this welcome page. As you can see, a little bit different because we modified something, so it some changes on here. So if I click the agent login, it's automatically directed on our uh, new team. So you can try to log in. Okay. Okay, so this is the look on our team. Okay, as you can see. So if you want to do manual dial, just type over here and then dial now. Okay, then hang up. Okay, so no answer and push agent, then submit. Okay, call logs. Okay, then dial again if you want. Okay, so no answer. If I want to put on callback, let's see. Okay, so my callback is not yet set for time. Okay, okay, let's see. So we have a callback here. Close. Let's see where. So this is the look like on female. Address one, address two. So you will see the stats over here. Two calls. Okay. So transfer. So this will be a dial next number. Okay, so hope you are and if you also want, if I log into the admin, okay, let's see. Sometimes you can also you need to modify here, but you don't need because this one is already on agent.pt. Okay, so we are on 339.56 SP. Okay, okay, okay. Let me check the callback. So if you want to do the callback, we can do the callback. We will. Okay. Okay, hope you are enjoying our video today on how to update the or add the new agent team on your Digitiles server. And thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.